Every single Excel file displays a menu composed by 8 sections in the upper part of the screen. These are Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View and Help. Let's describe them. Within the Home menu, you'll find a series of formulas to format the text. You can choose the font, align the text, use conditional formatting, manage the filters, do searches, and much more. Within the Insert menu, you'll have the chance of adding predefined tables, managing images, icons, and smart art, managing graphs, filters, comments, and other textual functions we'll analyze later on. The menu page layout deals with the managing themes, managing the page itself with margins, orientation, horizontal, vertical, printing area and the backgrounds. The menu dealing with formulas is the one we'll use the most. Within it, you can choose a series of formulas for spreadsheets and for managing your report in Excel. Now, the Data menu will be overly used in the advanced phase of this course, as in it you can deal with importing, managing data and connection. Finally, we have 3 menus which are not so relevant to this course. I'm talking about Review, View, and Help. In addition to these 8 sections, there's also a File menu where, apart from creating new Excel files and opening the recent ones, you can manage the save, print, and share procedures.